Hello everyone, so welcome back to the online class of class 9 science, the physics portion. We were learning chapter number 8 motion, and in the last video we have derived the second equation of motion, that was the uh, position time relation. Today we'll see the third equation of motion, position velocity relation. So here also, while deriving this also, we will use the same equation. This one means we'll use the same graph which we have used for the previous two. So here we need to find this S, means we have to derive S, 2as equal to v square minus u square. You have to find this formula or this equation. So we'll use the initial values that we have used earlier also. So OC is equal to U. You have to write let OC equal to U. Then OA is equal to, OC was T, my mistake. OA is equal to U, and BC is equal to V. Here we don't need this D, we don't need that part. Now here S is equal to area of trapezium OABC. We will be using the same thing. Now in the previous one, what we did, after writing S equal to area of the trapezium OABC, we divided the trapezium into two parts. One was the triangle, another was the rectangle. Then we find the areas of the rectangle and the triangle separately, and we totaled them up. Now here we will directly find the whole area of the trapezium. So the formula for area of trapezium was sum of parallel sides into height divided by 2. So here the parallel sides are this one and this one, which are parallel. So OA plus BC, and the height will be OC. So S equal to area of trapezium, which is sum of parallel sides into height divided by 2. So here the parallel sides are OA plus BC into the height OC divided by 2. We will be putting the substituting the values. OA is U plus BC is V and OC is T divided by 2. So now little small trick from this side. So if you remember, with the formula for acceleration, A equal to V minus U by T, and here if we substitute, if we want to find T is equal to V minus U by A, means cross multiplication. T is coming to here, then A comes here, we get this. So we'll be using this part instead of T. We'll substitute that. So we have U plus V by 2, and in place of T we will use this value, we'll substitute. So into V minus U by A. So from here, if we had one formula for factorization. Where can I write? Okay, we have a formula for factorization, which was, we had a formula like this: A plus B into A minus B gives us A square minus B square. We had a formula like this. So we'll use this formula, we'll implement this formula here. So if you see in this part, U plus V means in the form of A plus B, and V minus U in the form of better, v minus u. If we take v as a, u as b, a plus b into a minus b, this gives us the formula, and 2a, it will be multiplied, we'll get 2a which will come this side, so it will become 2as, and here we will get v square minus u square. So this is our third equation of motion. Now if you don't understand what happened here, I will explain you a little bit later. You can pause the video and write it down. Now if someone has not understood what happened here in this part, so I am writing that part here, I am rubbing this and explaining you. So if you want to know S equal to u plus v by 2 into v minus u by a, what happened here in this part? So 2 into a, it becomes 2a, and here u plus v we can write as v plus u, and this is v minus u, and this will go this side, 2as, which gives us, now we'll multiply this, so v into v, v square, v into u, vu, then plus v into u into v means vu, and then u into minus u minus u square. This and this gets cancelled. Finally we have 2as equal to v square minus u square, which is our formula, the third equation of motion. So this is how it comes. If someone does not know factorization, you can directly multiply them and you will get the answer, you will get the result. If you want to write this one down, you can pause the video and write it. So thank you. This much was only for today. I advise you to practice all the three equations of motions properly and memorize them also, and also you have to remember what we have to use, what we have to take, which values where we have to take, which variables we have to take. So thank you.